Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Ijeoma Florence, in case you didn't know. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how I made this 2x6 closure. Okay, so before I forget, let me thank all my subscribers. Thank you for 230 subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. You are the real MVPs. Please do well to recommend my video to your friends and family, like, comment and share. So let's get into the video. So guys, we'll be making 2x6 closure. Okay, in my previous video I showed you how you can fold over your working material, that's the attachment or the human hair you are working with. Make sure that one side is longer than the other side. Now how do you ventilate? You pass your needle through one hole, then you hold it down with your second index finger. You bring it out through that hole, then you've gotten a loop, as you can see. Now grab it from behind, rotate your needle, make sure it faces downwards, then bring it out through that loop you've made and pull. That's just it. Pass your needle through a hole, not inside two. Grab 1 to 3 strands of hair at a time. Hold it down with your second index finger. Bring it out through that hole, then you've gotten a loop. Grab from behind, rotate your needle to face downwards, then bring it out through that loop you've gotten. I'm gonna take it again. Pass through one hole at a time, not inside two, please. Grab 1 to 3 strands at a time. Hold it down with your second index finger. Bring it out through that loop, through that hole you've gotten a loop. Then make sure you turn your needle, make sure it faces downwards, then bring it out through that loop you've made. I don't know if this explanation is okay, but watch the video, you understand it. Hold it down with your second index finger. Bring it out through that hole you've gotten a loop. Then grab from behind, turn your needle to face downward, then pass it through that loop you've gotten. It might seem simple as you are watching it, but not as simple as you may think, especially if you are a beginner, if this is your first time trying. Okay, I could remember when I was learning, it wasn't easy for me, but what helped me was that I kept on practicing. To be frank with you, it took me complete 4 days for me to get it right. So that day I was so excited. So all you need to do, if you try and fail, keep on trying. On a very good day you are going to get it right. Okay, I'm talking from experience. It took me complete 4 days before I was able to to learn how to make use of ventilating pin. So this is how to do it. Okay, you pass through one hole, you grab 1 to 3 strands at a time, you hold it down, then grab from behind, turn your needle downwards. If you did not turn your needle downwards, sweethearts, you will find it so difficult to pass it through that loop, because that was my own mistake then. I don't normally turn my needle downwards, so when I'm trying to put it out, then I started to find it so difficult. So this is what we've done together. I'm gonna fast forward this a little bit, but I'm still going to carry you along. Keep on watching. Enjoy the video, is self-explanatory. Please write your comment on the comment section. Let me know if this video is helpful, or is there any other way you want me to improve so that others can benefit. Okay, and after watching the video you find it helpful, please do well to subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Share my video with friends and family, like, comment. Okay, guys, one thing about subscribing, one thing about commenting, one thing about liking is that this is the exact way YouTube we know that the content the person is creating is a good one, and it will also help the video to do more good. Okay, so Don't think that when you subscribe to someone's channel or YouTube is gonna charge you data. No, it's never done that way. You subscribing, you commenting, you liking is a way of showing appreciation to what that person is actually doing, because making videos like this involve time, energy and money, especially for some of us that are still a fresher on YouTube. So feel free to subscribe to someone's channel, show appreciation by doing that. Okay, don't misunderstand me. I'm just pouring out my heart. So keep on watching. The video is self-explanatory. It's just the same process. I did not change the pattern. It's all about passing through one hole, not inside through. Then you bring it out. You've gotten a rope, you grab, you turn your needle to face downwards, then you pass it through that rope. And one thing, guys, once you get to the front side, make sure that you maintain one strand at a time. Please do not pick 1 to 3 again, just one. If you look at the video and also my previous video, you see that the front side looks so natural, as if I procced it. I did not proc anything. I did not proc it, but all I did was that I used a strand of hair all through, and that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm using one strand at a time at this front side. Okay, so while letting yours, once you get to the front side, sweetheart, make sure to maintain one strand. Do not use two if you really want to have a natural look at the end of everything. Maintain one strand at a time. Sorry. So that's how to ventilate. Enjoy the video.
There's a message to preach, so we spread it all abroad. We invite all to come and be reconciled to God.
Yeah, guys, as you can see, I'm done ventilating. Look at that front side, how it looks so natural. So thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, like I've said, try to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment and share with family and friends. Until my next video, bye bye.